We interrupt this broadcast to bring you a very serious public service announcement. Earthquakes.
Earthquake!
Oh no!
That was the wrong thing to do if an earthquake occurs in your area. Now, I will show you the correct way.
Earthquake!
Oh no! What do I do?
First things first, grab your earthquake readiness kit.
I don't have one.
First, you need to get water. 1 gallon per person per day. Planned for 3 days. Next, you need non-perishable food, flashlight, matches, important documents, and any medicine a person in your family may need. Remember though, these are just some of the essential items that need to be in the kit. There could also be more that could be added.
Got it. Now what?
Drop, cover, and hold on.
Woo!
Yeah.
Here it comes.
Stop.
Everyone dead.
Yeah.
Thanks to the public service announcement.
Just remember to always be ready because we live on the New Madrid fault line, which is very active. In fact, we have over 200 earthquakes occur in our area each year.